Hello, everyone, and I hope all of you are doing great. So today I will talk about another. This time it's not a job, but a job simulation, or I should say, an internship. So this was necessary because when I wanted to be a data scientist, and I had a degree in data science, but zero experience, or I was just a fresher. I couldn't find a job because internship was very important. And I knew internship was an important thing, but it was difficult to find. So I thought today I will share this platform, which is forage.com. And this is actually a platform where you can find all sorts of internships. They have around more than 300 free job simulations, and they have partnered with 125 top companies. I would say now more than 125 companies all around the world. So let it be if you are coming from marketing background, data, if you want to be data analyst or scientist or something related with artificial intelligence. I think this is one of the great platform. Now, as we have already talked about, whenever we have a degree, but when we start to apply for a job and when we look at the requirements, they are very different when we compare it to what we have studied. And that's when we feel like, oh, I have studied so hard and I don't know what is this, what are these concepts, and the requirements of a job is something which we can't meet because we do not have any first-hand experience. So internships and job simulations play very important role. And I remember when I wanted to do an internship, one of the company was charging around $400 to $500 for an internship. The other companies, they were using us to do their marketing, um, or other work which was irrelevant to what course I did. And it became like impossible for me to do an internship. I applied to more than 50 to 70 places, and I couldn't get in anywhere. And that's when the forage came into picture, and I wanted to share this with you because this will help you, as you will be able to share your certificate. Once you complete your job simulation, you get a certificate, and which you can, I would say, display on your resume, or you can put it on a LinkedIn. So this is the website. The first thing which you have to do is just sign up with your Gmail address, which we do in almost any of the platforms. And then you pick up the simulation. You get into this page, and here it asks you what are job like sorry these career interest and company all. So let me click on career interest to just to show you. And so these are the fields you see. I will pick up data so that I get all type of data related job. I will just click on apply. So this will shortlist some of the jobs available. Here I have introduction to data science. They are hiring now. So in case if they are hiring, it is also mentioned hiring now. So it's not just internship, it's also a job opportunity. This is British Airways. I completed. I remember that's why it says completed. And then there are other websites which are looking for quantitative research, which is again related to statistics and data science. Then you have Tata, which again are hiring now, data visualization. And yeah, we have Deloitte. We have PCG. This is also hiring. So this is advanced level. Yeah, I remember I couldn't do this, so that's why it is showing in progress. But I think this is a very interesting data science project. Let me also show you because it says it's in progress so that you get a little bit of feel of how these job simulations are. So you can pick up any field you want, as we have seen, let it be marketing, law, engineering. So all sorts of internships are available. Um, let's look at this one. I think my internet is again slow. So it generally doesn't take that much time. But when I don't know why it is the way it is, but yeah, it is pretty slow. I think now things are popping up. I can see next button at the bottom, but let's just wait. Um, and the best part of this platform is that it's totally free. So you are not paying anything. Uh, but also one of the drawback which I feel this platform has is that we don't get any feedback. So if we have done our internship, and if something was not right, we will not get any feedback. So that's one of the drawback, but I think it's a great opportunity. They give instructions very clearly. So they have written it task one, task two, and so you go through all the instructions, all these steps one by one, and you complete it. They also have a video. So it's not just about instructions um, written, but in all these steps, they have videos. They also have the time and also the background information. So if we look at this kind of internship, it has given you entire background information. It's about customer churn. So people from data science background know very well what is customer churn. Um, and they have given the entire detail about it, and you also get some files which you can download. If you look on the left hand side, they have mentioned it very clearly: task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. If I complete this and if I'm successful, then as I told you, they also have this opportunity. They are hiring people, so I can also be selected in this internship. So I wanted to show you this. You can go through any of the jobs or internship which are available. Just go through it, and in case if you have any other questions, this is a very simple website. It's not at all a complex one. So just go through it, go through the website and try to find out all the options which are available. Yeah, they also have Citibank, they have Lloyd Banking Group. So some are also, they have also mentioned whether it's an advanced level or an intermediate level, which is really nice. Yeah. So I hope that you liked this video. I'm extremely sorry that my internet was really slow, which took me 3 to 4 minutes extra. But in case if you like it, please like and share this video, and I will come up with more internship or job opportunities which are available along with any AI updates. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care.